Hey, welcome you all. In the previous video, we learnt about globe. In this video, we will learn about the maps. Now, what is the map? Basically, map is a representation or it is a drawing of the surface of the earth on a flat surface. And most importantly, it is according to scale. Now, let me explain it to you. Now, this drawing of the map or this drawing of the world cannot be treated as a map because it is not drawn to the scale. Now let us move further. What is the atlas? When many maps are clubbed together, we get atlas. That is, maps का जो collection होता है उसे atlas कहते हैं. Now why do we use maps when we have a globe? The reason is maps provide more information than globe. You can have map of large area like world, country, state or small pockets like villages, towns and so on. So basically maps are more flexible than globe. In contrast, there are some limitations of map. We cannot flatten out a round shape completely. People have tried it, but it is difficult. Still, maps provide more information than globe. So from exam perspective, maps become more important than the globe. Moving further, there are different kinds of map. For example, there are physical maps. Physical maps show natural features of the earth such as mountains, plateaus, plains, rivers, oceans and so on. Basically, they show natural features. They do not show man-made features. Now, political maps are different in sense that they give information mostly of man-made things like cities, towns and villages. So the basic difference is that physical maps show natural features while political map shows man-made features. अगर हिंदी में बात करें तो फिजिकल मैप है वो आर्टिफिशियल चीज़ें नहीं बताते एंड जो पॉलिटिकल मैप है वो मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम्स आर्टिफिशियल चीज़ें जैसे कि सिटीज़ हो, टाउन्स हो, आपका गांव हो उसे डिफाइन करते हैं. Now apart from these two, there are also thematic maps. These maps are drawn considering specific theme such as roads, rainfall patterns, airways, forest distribution and industries and so on. Now these type of maps again are very important from exam perspective. Now let us move to the next concept. Basically maps have three components: distance, directions and symbols. Now distance, as map reduce the entire world on piece of paper and this reduction should be precise. So for that we use scale and there are small scale maps and large scale maps. आप इसके बारे में एक बार NCERT में पढ़िए. देखो मैप में हम पूरा का पूरा वर्ल्ड एक पेपर की शीट पे रिड्यूस करते हैं and for that purpose we use scale. Secondly, maps show direction. The second component is that maps are marked with symbols. There are 4 cardinal points and in between there are immediate directions. So the 4 cardinal points define north, west, south and east. And in between there are northwest, northeast, southwest and southeast. Also the third feature is that symbols. It is the most important component. For example, maps have universal language that can be understood by all. Also, there is an international agreement regarding use of these symbols. Take a look at some of the symbols as shown in the picture. Similarly, colors are used. For example, blue color is used for water, yellow for plateau, green for plains and brown mostly for mountains. हम ब्लू कलर यूज करते हैं पानी को डिफाइन करने के लिए, येलो कलर यूज करते हैं प्लेट्यू को इंडिकेट करने के लिए, ग्रीन कलर यूज करते हैं प्लेन्स को डिफाइन करने के लिए और जो माउंटेन्स को डिफाइन करने के लिए हम यूज करते हैं वो होता है ब्राउन कलर. नाउ लेट अस टॉक अबाउट द स्केच. स्केच इज बेस्ड ऑन मेमोरी एंड स्पॉट ऑब्जर्वेशन. इट इज अ रफ ड्राइंग and most importantly it is not to the scale. Now the map that I am drawing on the board is the sketch because it is not drawn to the scale and it is based on spot observation and memory. Now plan is the different thing. Here we draw the small area on large scale. For example, your flat or bungalow, इनका जो plan होता है it is drawn to the scale and it is drawn to the large scale. Okay, so this is called a plan. Now I want to tell you If you are UPSC aspirant or giving any other exam or student of geography, all of you must use this tool. It is called Atlas. It is a bundle of map full of themes including historical map, political map, cultural maps, physical map, environmental maps, and so on. So for each and every subject you can use this book. Now I use this book, Oxford Student Atlas. And also if you want to learn how to draw the map of India, then there is one video regarding the same. Now this video was made by me 2 to 3 months ago. The length of that video is 15 minutes. But if you watch that video and follow the steps, you can draw the better map of India. And let me tell you, if you are using maps in your answer writing, then you get extra marks. So I will recommend all to go and watch that video. वो वीडियो थोड़ी लंबी है, लेकिन अगर आप वो वीडियो पूरा देखते हो और उसमें से जो स्टेप्स है वो फॉलो करते हो, it will help you in drawing the better map of India. So this is all from this video. If you wish to go back to certain part, you can use timestamps, and there are also some links given below. You can check them out.